best I can do. I'm super confident in what I made. We'll just see how it pans out. I think this thing will just perform spectacular.